Stop making your Roblox games feel completely lifeless. If you want players to actually interact with your world, whether that's opening doors, looting chests, or talking to NPCs, you need to know how to use proximity prompts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set them up, how to completely customize how they look without a single line of code, and then we'll write a quick script to make sure things happen when a player presses the button. Let's get straight into it. First things first, let's load into Roblox Studio and spawn our regular part. This can be anything, a block, a wedge, or a custom 3D model. Go ahead and anchor it so it doesn't roll away when your player walks into it. Now, hover over your part in the Explorer window. Click that little plus icon and search for proximity prompt. Boom. That's literally all it takes to make a part interactive. If we hit play right now and walk up to the block, the default interact prompt pops up. But it looks pretty generic, right? Let's fix that. With your proximity prompt selected, look down at the properties panel. This is where the magic happens, and you don't even need the code yet. First, let's look at object text and action text. Object text is what the item is, and action text is what the player is doing. Let's change object text to secret safe and action text to unlock. Now it looks like a real game feature. Next up is hold duration. By default, it's set to 0, meaning the player just taps the key. If you change this to 2, the player now has to hold down the button for 2 seconds, creating a cool loading circle UI. This is perfect for simulating searching a trash can or retrieving a teammate. You can also change the keyboard key code right here. If you don't want it to be the E key, you can switch it to F, G, or whatever fits your game. Finally, check your max activation distance. 10 studs is usually the sweet spot. If you make it too high, players will be able to trigger your prompt from across the map, which looks really messy. And if you make it too low, players will have huge difficulty trying to click. Alright, customization is done. Now we need to make it actually do something when it's triggered. Click the plus icon on your proximity prompt and enter and insert a standard script. Let's write a quick, clean script. First, we define the prompt. Local prompt equals script.Parent. Next, we need to listen for when a player triggers it. We do this using the triggered event, prompt.Triggered. Connect function player. Print player.Name ... Open the safe. This makes the part vanish. Prompt.Parent destroy end. Notice how we put player inside the parentheses? This is a built-in feature of proximity prompts. It automatically tells your script exactly who pressed the button. This is incredibly useful later on if you want to give that specific player coins, tools, or points. Before you hit publish, there are 2 common mistakes that trip up almost every beginner. First, look at the property called requires line of sight. If this is turned on, the player must be able to see the part clearly. If a tiny wall or piece of glass is in the way, the prompt won't show up. If you're making a door handle or something inside a tight space, it's usually safer to uncheck this box. Second, always remember to place your script directly inside the proximity prompt, not just anywhere in the workspace, or the script.Parent line won't work. If we press play now, walk up to our block and hold E, it fills up and destroys the part flawlessly. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more, don't forget to check out the shorts.